Hi everyone, let's see a case of tiny gallbladder polyp. Around 20 years old male patient came with non-specific complaints. On ultrasound, a tiny fixed echogenic polyp is noted at the posterior gallbladder wall. It's about 2 mm in thickness. So this is the picture of the polyp. It's very thin and can easily be missed if not checked carefully. Let's search it in real time. In this type of cases, we regularly want to give the patient a follow-up after 1 month to evaluate the size change of the polyp so that you can differentiate it from the metaplastic variety or neoplastic variety from the benign one. Thank you for watching.